Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day, and we are here again to share a recipe. Today, we are making beef fried rice, a very simple one, and I'm sure you will love this. So, lovelies, let's get started. These are the ingredients we are going to use. I have eggs here, rice, vegetable oil. I have chili powder in this bowl, and also my mixed spice here. You can use any spice of your choice. I have carrot here, spring onion. I have separated the white part from the green part. Okay. I also have soy sauce and green pepper here, shredded onion. In this bowl, I have ginger and garlic. This is ginger and then garlic on the other side. I also have my already fried beef, okay, and also chopped onion. I have shredded one and chopped one as well. And finally, our beef stock. Okay, so these are the ingredients we are going to use. In a pan, I pour in vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice, okay? To that, I add my chopped onion and then I give it a stir, allow the onion to infuse its flavor in the oil. Here I add garlic, and this is totally optional. If you don't like garlic, please omit it, okay? At this point, I go ahead and add my rinsed rice, and then I add salt to my taste, okay? I add my seasoning, and then we stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, okay, on medium heat. At this point, I go ahead and add my beef stock. I add additional water to it because the beef stock alone cannot cook the rice, okay? So we adjust it with a little bit of water. I then cover and allow it to cook on low heat. This has been on fire for about 45 minutes now, so let's check. It's well cooked now, so we will take it off the fire and we allow it to cool down. Please don't cover it, okay? So we set it aside. In the bowl, I break in 4 eggs. I add salt to it and then beat together. In a pan, I pour in vegetable oil. Just like I mentioned earlier, you can use any oil of your choice, okay? So here I add in my eggs. We are going to scramble. Now our scrambled egg is ready. We collect it and then we set it aside. We are just going to use the same pan, okay? So into the same pan, I pour in a little bit of vegetable oil. Then I add my carrots. I add my spring onion. I will leave some and then we use it later on. Here I add green pepper. I add my ginger. I should have added the ginger to the oil first, but anyway, that's okay. Here I add my shredded onion. Then we stir fry for about a minute or 2. Now I add my mixed seasoning. I add chili powder. Then we stir all together. So our vegetables are ready now, so we set that one to aside. In the same pan, I pour in a little bit of vegetable oil. To that, I add our cooked rice. Here I add my soy sauce, just take a reasonable amount, alright? And then we stir fry till we get a uniform color. Now we have gotten a uniform color, so we then go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We are starting from our vegetables, so I add the vegetables to the rice. Then I add my scrambled eggs, I add my fried beef, and then we stir all together. Here I add spring onion and also green pepper, okay? We just add this for extra look. And guys, you could see that all the vegetables that we used are common ones you can get everywhere. So that is why I said it's a simple beef fried rice, a very simple one and also affordable one. You can make this at home. At this point, our beef fried rice is ready and I'm going to serve you. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and you are going to try your hands on it. I said it's simple though, but hey, it's yummy and it tastes classy. And you are served. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye.